Hello friends, welcome back to tootscorner.com videos. Today let's see vegetable soup for weight loss. This vegetable packed soup is low in calories and high in nutrients, helping you stay full and satisfied while supporting your weight loss goals. Ingredients: 1 cup mixed vegetables, carrot, celery, bell peppers, zucchini. Low in calories, high in fiber and loaded with vitamins. 1 cup diced tomatoes, rich in antioxidants and helps support heart health. 1 cup homemade vegetable broth, made by boiling water with onions, carrots, celery, garlic and herbs like thyme and rosemary. For homemade broth, combine these ingredients in a pot of water, bring to a boil and simmer for 30 minutes. Strain before use. 1 tablespoon olive oil, healthy fat that adds richness and helps absorb nutrients. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, adds flavor and supports metabolism. Salt and black pepper to taste for seasoning. Instructions: prepare ingredients, chop vegetables into bite-sized pieces, cook in a pot, heat olive oil and saute the vegetables for a few minutes. Add the tomatoes, broth and seasonings and simmer for 20 minutes or until vegetables are tender. Serve. Pour into a bowl and enjoy. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.